Hi, thanks for tuning in. Today we will do a quick unboxing for this new DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2. We just arrived and we'll do a quick unboxing. So we'll see inside what's the package come with. Actually, the box seems like the previous version, Phantom 4 Pro. They also come with this case also inside the box. So we will take out the box and show you. So after we unbox, here is the box is come with, and actually it seems like a P4 Pro. So it's come with a card, one battery. I will take out all the accessories. The control, propellers, and the charger. So this two inside is empty to allow you add two more extra battery. And then this is a micro USB cable. So basically that standard package is just come with one battery. And we put on the side first. So this is a micro USB cable. And this is a power cord. This is a battery charger and an RC charger. And come with this user menu. So they are labeled out with Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0. You can see. And then this propellers. This is a new version propellers. It's different like the old one. So they come with two pair. Okay, 4 black color and 4 silver color, and you can see that new propeller, the shape is different. So this is the battery. So the battery is come with 5870 milliamp. So the new battery is not yet charging. We will do a charge later on and do the firmware update before we go for a test flight. So basically this version 2.0 and this Phantom 4 Pro, actually the difference is that this 2.0 is running OcuSync, so you can use DJI goggles connect with this aircraft without connecting a cable for the live view. And also this new remote control, they're a bit different. Here they have I think it's a ventilation. Later on we will do a test flight, then we will open up inside and see what is the difference between this Phantom 4 Pro version 2 and Phantom 4 Pro RC different. The RC comes with just a USB cable without this HDMI output, so I think can be upgraded to the HDMI modules, but we will find out later. So this is a latest version ARGtek remote control. Actually it's almost like a DJI Mavic, because the Mavic also running a ARGtek system. So what Phantom 4 Pro have, this one also have. They have a sensor, okay. So this comes with a memory card as well. We see how big is it. So they come with a 16 gig memory card. The memory card is by Sony. And then they come with this latest version ESC with this brushless motor. So when you attach this propellers, you can get I think few more minutes flight time, and then not too loud the spring. We will do a test later on. So basically the quick unboxing, we just show you exactly what inside the box. So for more information, we will do a test later on. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the upcoming video for a quick test.